Check out this 2012 Nissan Frontier. Carfax has certified this Frontier as having one owner. This Frontier has just under 12,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Frontier boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the standard paint, A94, bed extender and hitch, L92, front rear floor mats, A92, under rail bed liner, A93, bed liner and hitch, SV Premium Utility Package, Avalanche, B92, splash guards and the steel seat trim. Call 800-574-0279 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.